Making stir fry today. I got onions, green peppers, mushrooms, onions, zucchini, and hamburger. Chicken breast cooked in the instant pot. I mean, in the air fryer. And I'm going to add it to my mushroom mixture. And then I've got cauliflower rice and broccoli. And that's what we're going to make today. And then we're going to add soy sauce to it, and salt and pepper, and garlic powder, onion powder, chicken bouillon, and paprika. Okay, let's stir this up. It's half a pound of hamburger, one chicken breast cut up and cooked in, in the air fryer, one zucchini, one onion, one green pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, black pepper, and that's what I added to my chicken too, was onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. One teaspoon of chicken bouillon. One tea, one half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon, I mean. That's a half a teaspoon. Here's the one. Now we got a teaspoon. Okay, one teaspoon of bouillon powder. Chicken. Half a teaspoon of beef bouillon. Half a teaspoon. Now tomato powder, bouillon. One half teaspoon. This is a half a teaspoon. Okay, let's stir this up. Now we're going to add our broccoli and our cauliflower rice to this. And I made our cauliflower rice myself with a food processor. And I also grounded up the broccoli just like I did the cauliflower to make it like rice too. Okay, here's my cauliflower and my rice. And cauliflower made up like rice and broccoli made up like rice. Just made a big mess on the stove. And I cut my mushrooms up real small. Okay, there it is. Stir this all up, let it steam for about 10 minutes, and then I'll be back to check it and put soy sauce in it and see what it tastes like. I made my cauliflower rice in the food processor, so I said, well, I've got broccoli, so I'll make the broccoli just like it. So I food processed it too. On the you had to put the metal blade in there to make it cutting. So that's the way I did it. The mushrooms was like this, so I cut them real little. Okay, let's stir this. Smelling good. Paprika. Put a little bit of that on it. Adobo. Put a little bit of parsley, fresh parsley. It's the kind I growed up on the porch. If you ain't got fresh, you can use the kind of seasoning you want. Okay, let's stir this up. putting a little bit of this on it. Badaya complete. We're going to add our pieces of chicken to it. This is chicken breast. One chicken breast cut up and cooked in the air fryer. Okay, I had to wash my hands. I'll be right back. Okay, it's done. Okay, let me serve it up and I'll show you what it looks like. Here's my plate. It's got fresh tomatoes on top. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. I hope you like my stir fry. Please try this recipe.